Welcome to another episode of Connect Media, and today I'm gonna bring you guys with me to shoot another wedding for today. We're gonna basically go throughout the day and show some shots, how to actually get certain shots and how to actually deal with people. So stay tuned for the video and just come shoot a wedding with us. So starting off, we're gonna get some establishing shots. And I always like to start off in front of the venue if I can. So that's why I'm getting this nice kind of mid shot of it. And it's good just to mix it up. Doing a good wide, tight. Nice parallax shot right there. The ground being the foreground. Kind of going side to side. And shit, you can even push in. Push in, push one more time. Overthink it, you just, show the place. Details, flowers here, look at this. So the floors have already got done with their work out here at the ceremony area, so that's a plus. So I can go ahead and get shots. Get these shots out the way, I don't have to wait. But I tend to, even if they are working, I tend to get shots of them working. So it kind of adds to the film that not everything, they can actually relive that part, like actually them bringing it to life. So, but now this is perfect. This is real perfect. I like how this looks with the So we get shots here. Same thing, kind of doing like foreground shots, panning here. So that was kind of like a wide. Then I always like to punch right in. And remember, like, even though I didn't move, it's still different shots. I'm in the same spot, a whole different shot, just by zooming in. And I can use that for whatever. So, I definitely like how my lines are, like how these pillars are giving me like a line of symmetry here. So I'm gonna get a good wide, kind of like a wide, line it up. Push it. I suck at using my monitor. Looking at my monitor, so it's so much easier. Suck at it. Probably because I can't see, it's not as vibrant as my, Detail. It's very important. We're gonna need some sunscreen today. I don't wanna be purple. But yeah, I gotta start back doing these type of videos. I know I got some good views in the other ones, in the other videos I had made. So I'm gonna start trying to do this more often. Like, just make sure we're on time. Staying on time, that's gonna make sure that everything goes well for sure. Cause I feel like when everything is not done, like the hair and makeup, if that stuff is not done on time, it kind of messes it. I won't say completely mess everything up, but it changes the directory of the day for sure if they don't have their hair and makeup done on time. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna have it done today because I have worked with this couple before, not at a wedding, but I did their family members' weddings. So I kind of know them on a personal level, actually. So it should be a good day. All right. Good. this right here. Woo, it's trying to fly. All right, go for it. We just got some shots of the dress, and now we finna go get some mock-up shots of the bride, like doing some makeup and some touch-ups and whatever you're gonna call it. So we're gonna basically use natural light and just really go from there, kind of have the makeup artist touch her up, and then we might have her do it on her own. But that's the next thing. After that, I wanna say we're gonna get the game day entrance. They're actually doing that today, and then go into the first look. But with these, you wanna always shooting into the dark. And yeah, and these, you just always wanna shoot into the dark for the most part if you can. And always use your rule of thirds. And yeah, we're finna go from there. Color. Yeah. Go in that corner right there. Kind of face, kind of out the window. Yeah.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Side profile. It's crazy.
It's crazy. Right here. Okay. You're gonna be looking at the window. And on 3, you can put that down. So you're gonna be, it's like, I'm you, right? You're looking out the window, and you're gonna look down your shoulder, down that shoulder, and on 3, you're gonna look up at me and smile, okay? Cool. All right, you ready? On 3, you're gonna look up at me and smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3, look up at me and smile. All right, we're gonna do it again because the sun kind of shaded. Hey. Ready on 3, 1, 2, 3, look at me and smile. Nice. Cool.
All right. We'll do lashes, girl.
Yeah, real quick, look down your shoulder right here. Kind of just look down your shoulder, just like that. Keep looking down that shoulder.
I got it. You're okay, Tanner.
We just got done doing some of the first looks, and the next thing we're gonna do is film the groom and bride first look, and that'd be the last one for the day. I don't think it's any more. But kind of doing the first look, you always want to shoot on the same side as your second shooter. At I think they call it 180 or something like that. Always keep that angle, because if I shoot on the left side and they shoot on the right side, you're gonna be always shooting at each other. So always keep that in mind shooting the first look. And always shoot over the shoulder of the talent as well. So if I'm shooting the dad or the groom for the first look, I'm shooting over the bride's shoulder. So it's kind of give that cinematic feel with the rule of thirds or whatnot. So, but next is gonna be their first look, and I believe we're probably gonna go into portraits, if I'm not mistaken. Full wedding party, family arriving. Said family arriving. But most likely, if we do their first look, we're gonna definitely get some portraits of them, just so if we so happen to have time after the ceremony, we'll have something. So that's what's next. Keep following us. All right, let's go. Wrap that up. I ain't stutter too much. Sometimes I be stutter. All right, let's see what they're doing. Cut it, man. Kind of look at her and look at him. Nice, y'all. And, oh, I'm sorry. Don't beat me up. All right, y'all ready? Oh. Hold that. Look at each other right here. Y'all can relax. Hit the step with it. Oh yeah, this is nice.
Y'all do a little smile.
Good, y'all. Just start walking when you're ready. Keep going. I can't wait to show you this. All right, y'all can relax and get y'all inside, okay? Nah, this is gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Next. I got it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Next.
1, 2, 3, chill.
Take place here, Father, from exchanging of vows and rings. And Father, these are made before not only
You, as Ansley's mother, have invested in her from an early age. Important that you pray for your children's future spouses. Be very particular in what you're praying. Tonight, forever, as you place this ring on her finger, I'm going to ask you to make a pledge to her. Repeat after me. Ansley, wherever you go, I will go. Wherever you stay, I will stay. Your people,
Well, that was another wedding day. I hope y'all enjoy that. If y'all want to see more of this, just let me know. Just put it down in the comments that y'all want to see these type of videos. And I kind of got lost in between there because the day was going by so fast and whatnot, but I enjoyed it. For the times I didn't talk, I'm gonna actually throw up some shots that we had got through them times. But like I said, if you enjoyed, put down in the comments what you like about the day. If you got any questions about anything, just let us know. And I'll see you in the next one. See you on